Meet professional snowboarder Mike Basich. When he's not riding, he's dreaming up incredible adventure vehicles in his shop. For his latest creation, he's teamed up with Barrel Brewing to build the BeerCat, a beer pub on a snowcat. Follow along as he documents the build and brings the BeerCat to life.
This is our last day. We're gonna complete everything else today. And by the way, this is all planned. Super organized. This is how it always happens. It's exactly what I was thinking. We're gonna put up the sign right now and get a feeling how this is gonna look. It is 3:05 a.m. The BeerCat is finished. We're gonna go over to Area 2 for 1, my backyard compound, I like to call it. We're gonna drive 3 miles up this road in the middle of nowhere and set this up. It's a VIP party with 10 Barrel. We made it! Woo! Look at that cake! Woo! Oh, that never felt so good. Woo! Here we are, Area 2 for 1. The door's been the biggest project on this one. You just push a button.
Mike's own personal touch on this gives it that unique character that with the snowcat is just perfect. Mind blown is probably the easiest way to describe it.
I had an amazing time creating it, and I hope everyone out there enjoys it wherever it goes. Keep riding, pal. Drink beer outside. Have a good time.